Guys, kindly take a look. Okay, I'm going to pause it for now. Why? Because as you can see on the screen, it says EOS Quantum Exchange. All right? On the upper left side, EOS Quantum X or EOS Quantum Exchange. This is a post-quantum resistant wallet, which is a crypto exchange. So, we are all aware that we first evolved in Internet Explorer, followed by Blockchain Explorer, and Google is now doing the quantum computers. Now, these quantum computers is a very powerful computers. They have the very high speed transaction per seconds. So if your exchanger is not ready for them, then definitely they can breach the system. However, since our crypto wallet is already a post-quantum resistant, guys, even if the quantum computers roll out, it doesn't matter. We are prepared for them. Let them come. All right? Our crypto digital assets are ready. Now, let me go ahead on this and I'll show you some features of our EOS Quantum Exchanger. All right? The post-quantum resistant wallet. So as you can see there, guys, look. All right, as you can see there, there is already an EOS versus USDT. So definitely, we are already trying to debug. Okay, we are trying to finalize everything, trying to see if there are some bugs on it, and we are now fixing everything. But definitely, we are already 95% done on our crypto exchanger. Okay, so BTC, Ethereum, BNB, FTT, a lot of different alternative token or coin we can definitely list on our exchanger, no problem. All you have to do is to connect your EOS wallet on your system dashboard, and then you can withdraw easily from our system dashboard, goes to your crypto wallet. And I would like just to give you a heads up information, ladies and gentlemen, our system dashboard is going to drastically change within the next 2 or 3 weeks from now. Why? Because I told the developers team to do our system dashboard becomes a smart contract coming from the blockchain. What does it mean? It means that on the next coming 3 weeks maximum from now, the withdrawal will no longer becomes weekly. It will become instant, daily withdrawal. Again, the withdrawal for the next 3 weeks from now will no longer going to be weekly. It will become instant, and it's gonna be every day. You can do minimum withdrawal. It doesn't matter. Okay, so moving forward, there. So as you can see, EOS versus USDT, you can convert it with execute quantum trade. All right. So there, you can make exchange with a lot of different alternative coin. Hold on. Later, we will show you as well, right? And then on the bottom side there, you can buy and sell, and there is a multi-chain exchange, okay? Meaning we can definitely go ahead with a lot of different exchanges, okay? So yeah. And then what about the gaming? The gaming is here already. Okay, this is the 2 digits raffle draw. All you have to do is to choose 2 digits and then 1 to 45 numbers. You can use your vouchers, no problem on that. And also our lottery is also ready. All right. So these are the things that we are trying to prepare for you guys. All right. Now, moving forward, I would like just to remind everyone that we are going to roll this out. I think first week of July, we can roll out the first 2 digits raffle draw, followed by the lottery draw. So yeah. Again, I would like to remind everyone, the lottery draw, the 2 digits raffle draw is under the blockchain technology with smart contract and blockchain audit. All right. Everything will become transparent. Everything is through the blockchain ledger. And good news, regarding with our infrastructure, if we are going to take a look on our infrastructure, I would like to remind everyone that we are not selling just the services. We are not just selling the token. We are selling the infrastructure of EOS. What are those infrastructure? First is the education layer, which we have 147,000 members global right now. And then the GameFi ecosystem, the EOS AI tools education will be launched as well on the first week of, I think, second week of June, right? Or first week of June, rather. And then the EOS wallet, hopefully this June, maximum second week of June, once the API is done connecting on our wallet, then we can now use our EOS wallet. And then followed by EOS Exchanger. This EOS Exchanger, we are going to launch on July 1st week, where you guys can now do a spot trading, future trading, you can do it. Our QR merchant is done already. Right now, regarding with the last, which is the EOS Blockchain Explorer, the good news is that I always told to the people that we are going to launch our own Blockchain Explorer within 2 to 3 years from now. But the good thing is that since we have already 3 developers coming from 3 different companies, right? You heard me correctly, we have 3 developers. Now this EOS Blockchain Explorer will be launched maximum 8 months from now. 8 months from now. Before the end of 2026, I think we have the Blockchain Explorer already. Right? That is the very good news. Meaning, we don't need any other blockchain anymore because we already have a blockchain company. Or our company will literally become a blockchain and everything is decentralized. Everything is under our smart contract with our own blockchain and everything is automatic. Your withdrawal is automatic. Everything is automatic. And that is the massive update. I hope you guys like it. I think you don't like it, so I leave it now.
No!
I leave now.
No, we love it so much.
Right. It's pretty exciting. Even me, I am so excited to launch or to see our wallet on the line. I really wanted to use our wallet instead of using the Binance, the Kraken, BitGet, Mex. I love to use our EOS wallet. And it's just a matter of time. 2 weeks from now, we have our own wallet. Okay? And then the EOS coin, ladies and gentlemen, will be live. Okay? Will be live on the first week of June at a price of 0.20 cent. It could go up to $1 in a matter of few hours after we launch the EOS coin in our public chain. Now, the price right now of EOS coin is just 0.10 cent. Okay? But I cannot guarantee you that it will go back to 0.10 cent because during our public listings, the price will become 0.20 and it could go soar to $1. So, yeah, we really have to maintain the 0.20 cent before we go again with little by little $1, $2, $3 until we go with $100 in just a matter of few months. That is our target. We are not going to wait for the next 3 years. We are going to wait for the next few months until we get the $100 per coin. That is our goal for our company. Now, my advice is very simple. Hold as much as you can. I highly advise if you don't have much money, but if you have account already, you can compound using your compound button, or you can subscribe because during our subscription, there will be $5 worth of EOS coin with $16.50 subscription. Once the pre-encoding is done, then we can now go ahead and start with the $16.50. Then out of it, you can have $5 worth of AOS coin. And then during resubscription, which is the $10, you will be getting $5 worth of AOS coin as well. So yeah, I am saying, I'm saying that AOS is no longer going to become just a token. It will become coin within the next 6, maximum 8 months from now. Or let's say before end of this year, we can launch our own blockchain explorer. And I'm very excited as well for your upcoming event in Nigeria, which is 7 days away from now, right?
Yes, sir.
Guys, AOS is no longer a small company. The company that you dreamed of decades ago is now in front of you. This company was built for a lifetime, not just for long term. So congratulations, everyone. The wallet will soon to have on your hand 2 weeks from now, and then 1 week from now, our AOS coin will be live at 0.20 centavo. Meaning you only have 1 week to go to buy for 0.10 cent. The moment we go live,
Woo!
no more 0.10 cent of AOS token. It will be live on the centralized exchanges at a price of 0.20 cent. Okay? So that's it. I think we're good. We're good, Ma'am Karina. Take it.
Yes, Sir Chris. So how about our AI tool? Sir Chris, how about our AI tool? Where are you?
Oh yeah, our AI tool. If you are familiar with ChatGPT and Nova AI, and then the Grok, all of them will be launched all at once, probably 2 to 3 weeks from now. Just exactly the same launching with our wallet. So yeah, the AI tools will be there, and then the what we call this, the system dashboard will also drastically change, and it will be connected the AI tools on the new system dashboard, which is the new system dashboard will all of them are under the smart contract.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So everything will be automatic. There will be no manual payout. Okay, so the payout will no longer going to become weekly. It will become immediate. The moment you request for your payout, in just split seconds, it's already on your wallet, and that's gonna be daily payout.
Wow, guys. Sir Chris, can we accommodate just one question from Jehovah? I know
Sure.
that you will have another meeting with the developer, guys. We cannot hold on with Sir Chris. Just one question from Jehovah Pastor. You can unmute.
All right, thank you so much, Ma. Guys, thank you so much, Sir Chris. We really appreciate the kind of the job you people are putting together. May God bless you, bless your family, bless your soul, bless everything depend on you in the mighty name of Jesus. Please, the only question that I have is that immediately our wallet goes live, can we be able to change maybe USDT to our own currency or each country's currency? Is it going to possible? Thank you.
Meaning from USDT going to your own fiat money, correct?
Yeah, Naira.
Naira going to the bank account on your local bank, correct? That's the main question, correct, Jehovah Yahweh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Maybe
okay.
Ethereum to our currency, Bitcoin to our currency, USDT to our currency, and so forth. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so since we already have the virtual asset service provider license in the Philippines only, it didn't cover the entire global market. So definitely the way of moving your fund out on our exchanger going to the bank is that we are going to issue a crypto Visa card. So we have already partnered with the Malaysian bank, and they are very much willing to give us their API for us to use their crypto Visa card. So you guys can get the crypto Visa card. And then from that Visa card, go from our wallet, going to your Visa card, and then you can now simply go to your ATM machine on your whatever place you are, and then simply withdraw on the ATM machine. How does it sound?
Wow.
Sir,
Wow. Congratulations,
Amazing.
everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Wow.
From
Thank you so
Aisha.
much.
That's from Aisha. Of course, sir, there is a minimal charge because of the card, right? So
Yeah.
So guys, what can you say about the massive announcement of our chairman of the board? Can we hear your love emojis and support and clap and virtual clapping, guys? Thank you so much. And of course, Sir Chris, are you going to your meeting now? Anyway, we can proceed with our meeting. Anyway, Engineer Adeleki is here. He's more is he here? I saw him. Okay, so he's more.
Did you manage to record, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
The update?
Yes, sir.
All right. Very nice.
Yes. So we will post this in our GCs already. So guys, thank you so much for that, Sir Chris. We know how hardworking you are. I saw it with my own eyes, guys. Sir Chris is different. He deserves a kudos and a salute from all of us, guys. If there's somebody that is working hard too much, it is Sir Chris and Mom Jean Garcia. Okay, so guys, thank you so much, Sir Chris. We cannot hold on you because it's very important meeting with the web developer. So we will take care of the meeting as of now. Thank you so much. Okay, so guys, what can you say about this? I will start on King Z. Sir King Z, can you make your point of view with this?